Yep, so guys, the machine is already imported and we can check the network setting. What is the network setting? So it is on a bridge adapter. That means we will get IP in the range of this network, because this is my Wi-Fi network, yeah, ETH0. So let's do one thing. Let's run a quick nmap scan to know the open port. You have to run the nmap scan on every port, but since I have already done that and solved the machine, I know that port 80 is open on this machine. So 168.0.1/24. So here we are running for port 80 and on the this IP with subnet of 24. That means it will enumerate the last column for us. Let's see what and all things are open. Okay, fuck. Sorry, I have to run the machine to turn it on. Either change the machine network setting or stop the machine. Change network setting. I don't know what's the problem. Yep, it turned on. I really don't know what was the problem. Anyways, let the machine run and wait for an IP assignment. Maybe it will display us. Okay, so let's try with the default password and username. No, but it's not working, I guess. Yeah. Okay, nice. So let's run the scan again. Yeah, you can see port 80 is open on 190, I guess. There is 189, but there is no port open. 187, port 80, it is closed. 184, it is closed. Which one is this? 111, that is my system, Jarvis home. It is closed. Okay, so only this port is open on the IP of 190. So let's go and check out what is it. Why it is not reached? Did I copy something wrong here? This is also closed. Okay, 189 is the port, open port. Yep, we are in. So this is kind of like a social network where login and sign up is there. Let's go and check something. Testing here, test password, any password, email, blah blah @. In case it sends an email, default birthday, female, hometown, test. Cool. Single, about me, I am a security engineer. Hit create account. Okay, so we have created the account and now we logged in. So it seems that there is a wall. Admin is a user, test user is a user, admin is a user. Again, he uploaded a logo and something. Social networking site, hello everyone, cool site, this can be cool, logo website, morning. Hello friends, I've been working on a new script for monitoring server. It is called monitor.py. Okay, so there is a hint. Monitor.py is running on the server. Running this on server, so I think there will be some file called monitor.py. Let's check that. Nope. Nope. upload slash meta. So there is no file called meta.py in the obvious directories. Let's log in again. What was the mail? Email password. Yeah. So here I can post test.post. Okay, my post is here. Friend requests I can see, profiles I can see. Here is the file upload. Home. Okay, here is a file upload, I guess. So there are two file uploads. Most probably this application is based on PHP, so this might lead to unrestricted file upload vulnerability. Let's check that. So we'll do one thing. We'll write a simple text file. There's a RS file. And to confirm, we'll put a PHP code. PHP. What should I put? Echo. Executed. So this is a simple PHP code which executes, which prints out hello. If we see hello after this file, then our code is getting executed. Let's check. So let's simply save this as image.php, and we'll check if it is getting directly uploaded or not. Let's go to document. Sorry. Yep, this is the directory. Okay, where is it? Oh, I think it is here. Post. Oh, can't leave the caption. Don't do it in real website or they will block you. It is uploaded. I think this is the image. Open image in new tab. Okay, the code is getting executed indeed. You can check here. This is a PHP code and it is getting executed and it is situated at this directory. So what we'll do next is we'll put a simple PHP shell. Okay, so echo this is to make sure it is working. cmd is equals to get what cmd. Let's go for with basics. Then system, I think system is right. Execute ph system command in PHP. Exec system. Yep, system function is the one function which we are looking for. Let's echo the results also. Echo system $cmd. Yeah, so what it is doing is the get parameter, it is taking cmd and it is putting in cmd and executing the cmd and returning the results as echo. Let's go to our website, go again, upload it again, at second load, post, open image in new tab. Okay, so our code is there in the same file 11.php, and if we do something like hope it we got the results, so it is getting executed indeed. Yep, so now what we need is okay, ncl. Okay, first we'll check IP address. I think I already checked there somewhere. 111. This is my IP, and nclep what 4444. Okay, so this is our reverse shell handler. We are listening here, and we'll go for reverse shell cheat sheet. Nice. So these are all the reverse shell payloads what we can try. Let's try one by one. I prefer executing not bash TCP, not bash UDP, not socket. I don't know what is socket. Ruby Golang netcat. This one. Let's try. This is really simple, and I think 11.php var, right? Yep, this is a code. Something, let's paste it and do a simple URL encode here. %20 for spaces, %20 for spaces, %20. Okay, before that let's make sure that %20 actually works here and it is not getting sanitized. %20, so I'm executing ls -l command, which will give us long output, and indeed it is working. Yep, so we can easily go ahead with our NC payload. For port 4444, IP address is 192.168.0.111, %20 for spaces, %20 for space, and %20 for space. Okay. Okay. Nope. Nothing. It means we are the payload did not work. Should we try other one? Okay, let's try this one. Python based, because Python is by default. Python by default comes with Linux, right? Payload Python. Okay, here we have to put our IP address. Our port is that is my port 4444. Python says yep, it is there. Now we have to replace all the spaces with how to do control replace, find and replace. I don't know, man. Is there any find and replace option? Control F to open find. Control Shift F, Control Shift H. Okay. Control Shift F. No. Control H. No. Control F. Shit. What is happening? Space. Find. Complete code it is. Yeah. And Control H with %20. Bam. Is it working? It worked or not? Oh, fuck. Shit, something weird happened. Let me clear it out and do it again. Okay. Don't fucking do this to me. Okay, this is because of this thing. Control F space Control H %20. Is it replaced or not? Shit. What the fuck happened? Oh, I have to do it for replace all. Yep, it worked. I guess so. Yeah. Control Ctrl+C, go to there. Let's make sure our handler is running and paste and enter. Whoa, something happened or not? Nope, nothing happened. So you know what I did? this line, it won't work because apparently I have to change the R host and R port, which I did not do. Not 0.1.1. R port is 4444. Control A, control copy, king browser, paste and run. Yo, think so. Yep, it worked. Yay, we are here. So we have successfully entered the system and I am running as Apache. Apache runs as www.data. Let's see what files we have. Okay, first check ID is we are not root, and I hate this weird sh, so I go to bash. Yep. Now let's check how many users are there. Password. So you have to do a lot of enumeration to find the vulnerability here. So MySQL is running. Oh, there is a user called socknet, sshd, polynet, dnsma, syslog, systemd, backup, mail, proxy, UCP, mail, sync, daemon, cat, blah 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 blah. I think this thing we can check. ls home. Okay, there is no home directory. Then ls root home. Yeah, there is a home directory for this user. lsl home. Okay, I have the read permission. Yep, it is world readable. The home directory is world readable. Socknet directory is world readable. So we can read the contents of socknet. That is a one bug. I mean, it should not be world readable. It should only be readable by the user and the group. Not even group, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so ls or maybe cd sock socknet and ls. Okay, so here is the peda. Here is okay, so here is peda. I think so it is okay. We'll see. So there is the monitor.py and there is a binary called add record, and it is a SUID binary. You can see the S, and it is owned by root and group socknet. Okay, so I have to do a horizontal privilege escalation to the socknet account because currently I am www data. Then I have to do privilege escalation. I think this monitor.py is owned by socknet, so I have to attack this because our social network says that monitor.py is running, and this is a hint, I feel so. And then socknet group has access to this, execute this binary, so we have to do a privilege escalation on vertical side, and socknet will, so we are basically pivoting socknet. So let's check what's there in this file. Okay, import simple XML. Okay, XML RPC server they are creating, subprocess. Okay, debugging password. Create a password, run command, result subprocess. Oh, shell equal to 2. That means I have to do Python command injection here. So this command is getting passed in run command, and run command is being called. Okay, here they are calling run command, but there is no parameter. again run command, disk no parameter, run command, net no parameter, run command. Okay, here secure command can be called with command in the passcode. Passcode is generated here, which is brute forceable. Nice. Okay, so what is XML RPC? First thing we have to cover. What is XML RPC? Client and server model. Remote procedure call. It is like, I think, and computer program causes a procedure to execute in a different address space. That means we can call this function using XML RPC. Okay, XML RPC. Okay, there is the code. This is a server, so we have to create a client. Okay, this is the client. This is the client. Oh, we have a demo code here. Let's copy this. I am not able to copy. It is recording. Copy. Paste. What is happening here is, okay, localhost is 1000. So first we have to put the IP, not localhost. 2.168. Okay, well, first we have to check whether it is running or not. Yeah, which port it is running. Okay, here it is running on port 8000. So 168.0. What was the IP? 189. Port 8000. Okay, this proxy print 3PC1. Don't print. Print only this. So I think so. Proxy object is used to call the methods, and methods are this mem. So if I call mem, it should return me. Let's check the documentation first. So here this is a server, and isEven is the method which is defined. IsEven is called. It takes one parameter. One parameter is given, and it is called via XML RPC. Nice. Okay, so I think so it should work. Let's run.py. Nice, saved. Let's run it. What? Don't know. Something is wrong. Okay. Then this. It should work now. The fuck. Okay. Okay. Yep, this is working. So what we have to do is crack this code, and we have to provide what? Register. What is registering? Secure command also. Secure command can be called with command and passcode. Passcode is equal to debugging password, which is initialized at the starting of the script. So that means we have to try this many times. Let's go to our script. Here we have to do secure command. Same, right? Shit, where is it? Secure command with command and passcode. Command, let's put who am I, and password is password. Now let's do one thing. Call Okay, it should work for us. It's an, oh shit. Wait. Why we are getting this? Okay, so in case the password is true, it will run the command, or else it will say wrong passcode. So let's do one thing. Let's hide it. Result equal to this. Then if wrong in R, if not wrong in R, break. Before breaking, let's print R. So what I'm doing here is I'm brute forcing with 100 to 9000, and the range function will put all the things from 1000 to 9000. Is it 9000? 999, and let's do one thing. This exclusive and inclusive funda is complex in Python. I mean, it's not complex, but I don't remember it. So let's start from 999 to 10,000. Why? So it will include both 1000 and 99999. Now it will try password, and if wrong is not in the result, that means minimize. That means if this is there, they won't display anything. If it is not there, it will display the result. Okay, and break the code. So we don't want to continue further because the password is found. Let's clear it and run. Ish. Yep, we got it. Who am I command is getting run, executed. What now we have to do is, oh, it's so easy. You have to change the port, run one more server, and bam. No, don't save, control save, copy. So I change the port 43333, and now I don't need it, I guess, because we got the shell again. 43333. Let's go to the script, control C. Oh shit, sorry, I stopped the handler. Where is the script? Run.py. Okay, spaces are not encoded, right? Spaces are encoded. That means we need a different payload, because Python won't understand encoding. Yeah. Copy the same payload. I could have removed the spaces, but I just want to keep, previous payload intact in case something goes wrong and we need the shell again. Let's copy this, copy, minimize, don't minimize, run.py, no, there will be a problem. I have to escape. This is sucks. You have to escape the quotes wherever the quotes are there. Does it support that multiple wala thing? App it supports multi-edit and escape. Nice. So it doesn't show the error next time. And let's put CMD. check everything once. So this is the command, IP is correct, port is correct, and rest of the things intact. Don't have to change. Listener is running, that means everything is set, and run. Okay, yep, we got shell here, you can check. But let's do one thing, let's exit and execute bash. Don't execute sh, that way we'll get the bash shell, because I hate sh shell. Yep, we got. Who am I? ls. So we are here.